Unique tapered fade combs. 5 sets help any user easily blend and fade hair between cutting lengths, 1.5 to 3 mm, 6 to 9 mm, 3 to 6 mm, 9 to 12 mm, 12 to 16 mm included. Standard fixed combs. 9 combs provide consistent cutting lengths for a variety of styles. Taper lever. Helps change lengths for precise fading to achieve an extra smooth look. Japanese grade steel blades, self-sharpening and engineered for precision. Non-slip grip, allows for more control when using. Maintain your signature style without time-consuming, expensive trips to the barber. The Remington Easy Fade Haircut Kit is designed to help you DIY a smooth fade in the comfort of your own home. The kit includes 5 sets of unique tapered fade combs, 9 standard fixed combs, and a taper lever to help you easily achieve precision blended or faded hairstyles. Clip with confidence and create a barbershop-level look at home using the Remington Easy Fade Haircut Kit. Top reviews from the United States. Nice set of clippers. I just tried this out for the first time and am really impressed. It is housed in a rubber armor chassis and runs smooth and powerful, compared to my old plastic clippers. To me, it is like driving a Cadillac, compared to my old Chevy. Very happy with this so far.